Hi friends, it's time for another art lesson with Mrs. Stoffer. Today we're going to be talking about color. This year in art we're going to be talking about the 7 elements of art, which are color, texture, line, shape, space, form, and value. But this first month of September we're going to do color, which is one of my most favorite elements because I love color. Color just makes the world a beautiful place. Could you imagine this world without color? It would just be gray and dull and boring. So color makes life exciting. So I'm going to start out by showing you the color wheel. This is a color wheel that I painted myself because I had an art class this summer and I had to paint a color wheel. So on the color wheel we start with the primary colors. And the primary colors, I kind of like to call them the magic colors because from these 3 colors, you can make lots of other colors. It's like if you mix them, you can make new colors. So the primary colors are yellow. Here's the yellow at the top. Red. There's the red. And blue. Yellow, red, and blue are the primary colors. And from these, you can make new colors. Let's see if what I'm telling you is true. Let's try it. So I have 3 primary colors right here. So I'm going to start with this yellow. And I think I'll add some red to it. Let's see what I get. I'm going to mix it with my fingers. And when you mix yellow and red, you get what? Orange, you're right. Now let's try some yellow with some blue. What do you think it's going to be? I bet you guys can guess. Let's mix it up and see. Yellow and blue make green. Magic. Voila. Now let's try blue and red and see what they make when you mix them. Ooh, this is a beautiful color. Red and blue make purple. So from these 3 primary colors, we just made 3 brand new colors. These new colors that we made, which are purple, green, and orange, are called the secondary colors. What are they called? Secondary colors. You're right. Primary colors, right here. Secondary colors. So, let's see. So on this color wheel, I've colored in the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. And then the secondary colors, because when I mixed red and yellow, I got orange. That's why orange is between them on the color wheel. And then when I mixed, remember I mixed yellow and blue? What color did I get? It's green, you're right. Then when I mixed red and blue, I made purple. So that's how we get the primary colors and the secondary colors. So that's what we're learning about color today. And also a fun game to play. I'm going to have you guys look around the classroom right now where you are. See if you can find something yellow. Just from your seat, look around. Point to something yellow in the classroom. Good job! Okay, now see if you can find something red in your classroom. Point to it. Good job! Now see if you can find something blue in the classroom. Look around. Good job! Now let's see if you can find the secondary colors around you in your classroom. See if you can find something green. Keep looking. You got it! See if you can find something purple. Good job! See if you can find something orange. Keep looking, you can do it! Awesome! Okay, now you found all the colors in the classroom. So I decided to look around my house for the colors of the color wheel. look what I found. I found this cute little bird that's yellow, this little cup that's red, and this star that's blue. So I have the primary colors. And then I found this pretty little birdhouse that's purple, and it would go between the red and the blue, right? That's where it goes on the color wheel. And this orange watering can between the yellow and the red. And then this pretty green bottle between the yellow and the blue. So you can do that when you get home. Try to find all the colors on the color wheel. Have fun, and I'll be coming to you with the project in just a minute. Okay, friends, we just barely got done talking about the color wheel and the primary and secondary colors. Well, now I'm going to teach you something else about the color wheel. We're going to talk about warm colors versus cool colors. So I want you to take a look at this color wheel and just think in your mind, which of those colors make you feel cool? They seem refreshing and cool to you. Think about that. Okay, and then now switch gears and think about which of these colors on the color wheel make you feel hot. It's like burning hot fire. What colors are those? Okay, so let's see if you got it. So the cool colors would be these colors, like grass, water, ice, I don't know, things that blue, purple, and green. Those are the cool colors. They just seem refreshing and cool. Lots of artists like to use the cool colors in their art. Then on this side of the color wheel, obviously the other side, we have the warm colors. Yellow, all the different shades of orange, reds, and yellows, oranges, and reds. Those are the warm colors. So lots of artists like to use, sometimes they'd use just cool colors in their paintings, sometimes they use just warm colors, or sometimes they mix both. So today we're going to do this project where we're going to use warm and cool colors. And the project is, I have this target, and we're going to trace our hand on it. So I'm going to do that first. I'm going to put my hand on the target, get a pencil, and trace your hand. So I just traced my hand with a pencil, then I'm just going to move my hand. And I have my handprint there. So this is the rule of the art project. On these stripes that are within your hand, you can use either warm colors or cool colors, but not both. So here's an example. So this one, I used only cool colors on my hand. So I picked purple, green, and blue for the hand. And then the background of the target, I used all warm colors. So you can do that. You can make your hand cool colors and the background warm colors. Or if you chose to, you could do your hand the warm colors and the background cool colors. But I just don't want you to mix both of them. I want, like, the background has to be opposite of what the hand is. So and also you can decorate your hand with lots of cool designs and patterns and lines and shapes and everything, like this one. You can make it fancy like this, or you can just leave it kind of plain like this. And here's just some examples of some really cool ones that I found on the internet that kids did. So just remember to make your hand either the warm colors with the background cool colors, or your hand cool colors with the background warm colors. You just do the opposite. If you guys have any questions, you can check with me after the video. Have fun doing the warm and cool color handprint. See you guys later.